Hello guys, welcome to Traders Chronicles. I am Jesse, and today's topic is about change par impulse play. So last April 4, 2018, I posted about this Philippine stock market daily group, and sabi ko doon, headline bukas, ngayon on broadcast. Pure Foods, may pasabog bukas. Ang magugulat, hindi nagbabasa sa Edge. So, yan yung sinabi ko nung April 4 sa Facebook group. So, the reason why, kaya nasabi kong may pasabog yung Pure Foods ngayong April 5 is because of the change par. So, because of this change par value sa isang stock, merong play itong si Pure Foods. So, ito yung ida-dissect natin ngayon. So, gaya ng pagkasabi ko dun sa post ko also nung April 4, this is a change par impulse play from March 28 to April 5, 2018. So, meaning, instead of buying on April 5, I was already trimming my position on April 5. And my buying was actually last April 2 and April 3. So, I have two tranche buying. So, by that time, I'm already placing my position on this stock because I expected that there will be a play which is due on April 5, 2018. So before we dissect this trade, let us first look kung ano ba yung tinatawag na change par. So bali dalawa yung nangyari noong April 5. Una is yung change par ng Pure Foods, and pangalawa yung change sa stock code niya from PF naging FB. So from those kind of changes, merong mga impulse play na pwedeng gawin dyan. But first, let me discuss what is par value. Pag sinabing par value, it only means the face value of a stock. So hindi siya yung tinatawag na intrinsic value. Parang binago mo lang yung itsura ng stock in terms of the price. Pero yung value niya, parehas pa rin. So for example, you have one share of Pure Foods at a cost of 1 peso. So pag nag-change par yung mga company, depend on what kind of ratio, yung 1 share mo ng Pure Foods, which is equivalent to 1 peso, pwedeng maging 2 share but equal naman sa 0.5 cents. So ibig sabihin, bumaba yung price mo from 1 peso to 0.5 cents, pero nadagdagan naman yung dami ng shares mo. So, parang parehas lang. So, gaya nung nangyari sa Pure Food, so yung closing niya nung April 4, which is 633 per share, nung opening niya nung April 5, naging 63.3 na lang siya. So, yun yung sinasabi na change par. From 633, naging 63.3. Pero yung kung may hawak kang share ng Pure Foods, of course, madadagdagan din yung numbers of shares mo. So, bakit ginagawa to ng mga ilang company gaya ng Pure Foods? So, as you can see, Pure Foods is trading at 633 before the X date. So, kung titingnan natin yung general, yung price niya at 633 is mahal. So, para ma-reduce yung price, para magmukha siyang mura, kaya ginagawa itong change par. So since yung price niya from 633 naging 63.3, so para magiging mas accessible na to sa mga kagaya nating retail traders, and since na mababa na yung presyo, magi-improve din yung kanyang liquidity as well yung volume. So mas marami nang magti-trade ng stock na to kumpara sa price niya at 633 pesos. So in short, the purpose is to make the stock accessible to more retail investor by improving the liquidity as well as the volume. So yun yung reason kung bakit sila nag-change par. So paano ako nagplano and nag-execute for this trade? So gaya ng sabi ko, last March 28, merong lumabas na disclosure. So, sabi dito, please be advised that the change in the par value of the San Miguel Pure Foods Company Now, San Miguel Food and Beverage Incorporation, from 10 per share to 1 per share will be reflected in the exchange trading system effective on Thursday, April 5, 2018. So, ang mga information na pwede nating makuha dyan is yung ratio, of course, which is 10:1, and yung effectivity, which is April 5. So, sabi dito, from 633, or kung ano man yung closing price niya on the April 4th, it will be divided by 10. So, from 633, it will become 63.3. So, sa mga ganitong klaseng change par, merong pwedeng play na gawin dito. Like, ang tendency kasi ng tao is that pag nakita niyang mura yung presyo ng isang stock, lalo na paggulat siya na, oh, biglang naging 63 yung Pure Foods, bargain. So, ang tendency is bumili. So, yun yung mga ganong klaseng emotion yung pwede nating i-take advantage sa ganitong klaseng play. So, the next thing na ginawa ko nung mabasa ko yung disclosure, siyempre, tinignan ko yung chart ni Pure Foods. Gaya nung sabi ko sa previous discussion, I look first sa big picture ng isang stock, which is the weekly. So, dito sa weekly, kitang-kita na yung trend niya is still intact, while yung RSI niya is at 71, which is good or actually great, while on the daily nagkaroon siya ng konting correction, pero there is already a sign of reversal. Kaya lang based dito sa daily chart, merong heavy resistance dito sa level na to. So yan yung sinasabi ng chart. Gaya nung parameters na nabanggit ko dati, ang hinahanap ko sa isang stock is yung RSI weekly is greater than RSI daily. So for this one, RSI weekly is at 71, while RSI daily is at 52. So meaning in the midterm, yung stock na to is still doing good. While on the short term, since the RSI is only 52, nagkakaroon siya ng konting correction. But still okay. So, ibig sabihin, pasok pa rin siya sa parameters. But, since merong catalyst sa stock na to, like ito nga yung change bar, medyo special case tong isang to. So, hindi masyado sa chart yung focus ko when it comes to display. And kung i-check natin, yung closing niya last March 28 is at 603. And also, there is an evidence here na nagtutry na siyang mag-reversal. And ito ring araw na to yung announcement nung change bar, which will be effective on April 5. So, we still have how many days? So, we still have April 2, 3, and 4 bago yung effectivity ng change bar. So, yung naging plano ko is that since yung effectivity niya is April 5, meron pang time para mag-prepare or meron pang time para magbodega. So, ang naging plan ko dyan is magbodega from April 2 and April 3. So, the purpose kung bakit dalawa yung buying level ko is to make tranche buying. Gagawin kong dalawang bili para makuha ko kung ano man yung range kung saan siya maglalaro. Ang theory kasi dyan is kapag effective na yung change bar sa April 5, etong 603 na to, yung price na to, magiging 63 na lang to. Magiging 60.3, ito magiging 55. So, the tendency is that ang iisipin ng general public is mura yung stock na to or bargain. So, yun yung iti-take advantage natin. Yung emotion ng tao, yung impulse ng tao sa araw na yon to buy this stock. So, ang isa pang maganda dito, since merong pang 3 days before the effectivity, is yung pattern niya mismo. So, kung tingnan natin to, this is also a breakout play. So, let's say, umangat pa to in a few days, like umabot siya dito sa 633. Yung difference niya from the breakout point is napakaliit na. So, ang isa pang maganda sa pattern na to is that on the effective date itself, which is April 5, yung impulse ng tao will cause this stock to gap up. So once gap up to at malagpasan niya tong breakout point, automatic matitrigger dito yung mga breakout traders. So dalawa yung pwedeng market dito sa play na to. Una, yung emosyon ng general public na iniisip na mura yung stock na to, and pangalawa, yung mga breakout traders. Kasi para sa kanila itong play na to, yung mga nagtitrade ng breakout. But it doesn't mean na bibili pa rin ako sa breakout. Ang gagawin ko dito is dito pa lang 3 days before magpo-position na ako dito sa level na to kung saan man siya maglaro. So yun yung plan. By the way, may exception pala tong play na to. Dapat titingnan din natin kung anong klaseng stock yung nagkakaroon ng change bar. So in this case, Pure Foods, alam naman natin na it is a great company, napaka-undervalued niya. So kaya pwede talagang gawin yung play na to dito. Pero kung yung stock na to is like yung FGen, URC, CHP, and trending sila pababa. So kahit na magkaroon sila ng change bar, I will not apply this play to those kind of stock. Okay, so this is what happened during April 2. So from the closing niya last April 28, umangat pa siya ng 3% at nag-close siya sa 6.23. So yung first tranche ko is around this level at 6.10, and yung last tranche ko is nung April 3 at sa 6.20. So yun yung dalawang buying level ko. So ito yung naging presyo niya noong April 4. So as you can see, ang closing niya is 633. So with this kind of development, makikita natin na yung possibility na mag-breakout siya or yung conviction na maging maganda yung presyo niya the day of the effective date is malaki. So gaya ng sabi ko before, dalawa yung pwedeng market sa play na to. Una, siyempre, yung mga taong mag-iisip na mura yung stock na to, bargain. Pangalawa, yung breakout traders. Okay, so ito yung nangyari nung effective date, which is April 5. So gabi pa lang nag-adjust nitong presyo nito. So nung umaga pa lang makikita nyo na agad sa bid and ask na talagang mag-gap up siya, kasi yung projected opening niya is 69. Doon pa lang makikita na naka-attract na ng attention yung stock na to. So since yung opening niya is 69, automatic triggered itong breakout point, which is 65.59. Pangalawa, yung mga breakout traders. So ito yung naging galaw niya. So kung susukatin natin, almost 13% gain on that day. Ang ginagawa ko kasi mostly is nagsisell ako lagi ng 2/3. Pero nakakapag-sell ako at around 67 level. Dito ko actually nag-sell 67. Kasi hindi naman talaga natin mapipredict yung kung saan siya aabot. Ang mahalaga dito is nagawa mo yung trade mo, nasunod mo yung plan. So meron pa akong natirang 1/3 na hinold ko, and I will place only a trail stop. So hanggat hindi na i-hit yung trail stop ko, andun lang yung 1/3 ko to ride the trend. So ganun ko in-execute yung trade na to. You see, stock market is like playing chess. It really pays when you know kung ano yung possible move ng kalaban mo. And of course, hindi yun ganun kadali. And stock market is more on mind games. It is taking advantage of the general emotion and the mistakes ng mga kapwa natin traders. Kahit ako, I made mistake in the past. A lot of mistakes. So, actually till now, marami pa rin akong pagkakamali kasi I'm only human. And human nature na yung talagang magkamali tayo. So, the thing is, kahit na marami tayong pagkakamali, dapat may napupulot tayo dito or meron tayong nakukuhang lesson. And kailangan gawin natin yun or kailangan gamitin natin yun as a weapon na pwede nating magamit. Yung mistake sa market, paulit-ulit yung mangyayari. Kaya may mga patterns tayong nakikita na laging lumalabas kahit lumabas na siya dati. It's because charts are reflection of emotion. Kapag tumitingin ako sa chart, hindi prices yung nakikita ko dyan, kundi yung emotion ng mga tao. That is why napaka-importante din ng pag-journal ng trades natin. Kasi kapag may journal tayo, pwede nating ma-troubleshoot kung ano man yung pagkakamali natin, then para maiwasan na natin itong maulit. And also, sa ganitong klaseng play, like dito sa Pure Foods, isa lang to sa mga play na alam ko na pwede nating i-take advantage yung emotion ng ibang traders. So if may alam tayo sa possible next move nila, taking advantage of others' emotion is fine. It is part of the game. So lahat tayo dito magkakalaban. As long na hindi ka na nga hype ng isang stock para sa advantage mo, okay lang yun. So hope you learned something today, and kung nakatulong sa inyo itong discussion na to, please like the page and share, and thank you and God bless.